Shorten English Junior, November 1988. Start. I have great pleasure in presiding over the 10th anniversary of your association. I take it as a privilege to take part in such functions organized by government officials. I know very well that you are a very hardworking people. It is recognized that this state is one of the best administered states in the country. You are doing your best to help the people in all possible ways. It is on you that the government depend for the effective implementation of many of the schemes which they have introduced for the benefit of the people, especially the weaker sections of the society. You know very well that the governments, both at the center and the states, are very much interested in helping the people who are below the poverty line. No doubt the government are introducing many schemes to help the poor people. It is your duty to study these schemes well and try to implement them to the best of your ability. Of course, there are rules and regulations which will guide you in this respect. It is better if you remember the fact that after all, the rules are made for the men and not the men for the rules. If you understand this, there will be no difficulty in implementing these schemes. So, you should make use of the rules in such a way that the poor people get the benefits. You should under no circumstances use them to deny the benefits which the government want to give to the people. Next, I shall refer to the complaints made by some people that they never get any reply to their letters, petitions and other communications sent to government. I agree that it is not always possible to comply with all the demands made by the people. Also, you may require sufficient time to examine their request and send them replies. In any case, I think there will be no difficulty in at least acknowledging the communications then and there. The parties concerned may be informed that their letters have been duly received, which are under examination, and a suitable reply will be sent in due course. Such a prompt reply, if sent then and there, as soon as a communication was received, would please the concerned persons to a great extent. After all, this is not a difficult job which you can very easily do. Letter dated 5th March 1987 from National Traders Krishnagiri to Messrs. Suresh and Company, Salem. Dear Sirs, please refer to our letter dated 10th January, wherein we have given our rates for the various items of articles that you require. The rates given by us are the lowest for such articles available in the market. You will also find that our terms of payment and other conditions will be more favorable to you than the ones offered by other firms. We are sure that the articles supplied to you till have given you full satisfaction. We are confident that there will be no difficulty in your placing further orders or as for the articles that you need now. We think that you are taking time to study your requirements and our latest terms and conditions. We assure you that these terms are the same old terms, assuring our best and prompt attention at all times. Yours faithfully.